journey for all of us in here.
It was.
We're going to find out in a moment who the experts chose as the new winner.
My heart is pounding. I feel like the whole world is holding its breath.
That's because it is.
Yeah.
We're all waiting for this result, which Martin has in his hands.
I already know. Ale.
Za chwilę najważniejszy moment wieczoru. Najbardziej wyczekiwany werdykt. W imieniu pana Witolda Kozłowskiego, marszałka województwa małopolskiego, nowego Mistera Supranational udekoruje radna województwa, pani Jadwiga Wójtowicz. Zapraszamy.
Are we all ready?
Are we ready yet?
Woo! Yes, we are.
Yep.
The winner, Mister Supranational 2022, becomes Mr. Cuba! Congratulations to Mr. Cuba!
Cuba is the next Mister Supranational.
What a moment, what an emotion. Whoa. Pure happiness, pure happiness.
It is fantastic. Look at this smile. Mr. Supranational 2022.
Woo! Pure joy.
Thank you very much.
Take a look at his prize. He doesn't go home empty-handed, as you can see. Mr. Cuba is Mr. Supranational 2022. Please take your walk as our winner.
And now we have to mention the first runner-up. And it is Mr.
Congratulations to Mr.